Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another try on haul. I know I've been doing a ton, but you guys have been loving them and they're actually really fun for me. I've been obsessed with fashion lately. I've been on this like fashion kick, just super inspired. So I have another haul to bring to you guys. This haul is actually funny because a lot of you guys in not my last one, but the one before that recommended that I try out Nasty Gal, and literally a week or two later, they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their items. And I was like, yeah, of course. My subscribers said you guys are amazing. So I ended up testing them out and also checking out their website, and I was obsessed. So I am actually partnering up with Nasty Gal in today's video. So excited for this. So they actually sent out a bunch of items for me to try. I, of course, did pick out these pieces myself. I feel like I picked out a lot of like more fall winter items this time around because that's kind of what I was needing. Nice jacket I have to share with you guys, and also some cozy sweaters, but also some other pieces I'm obsessed with. This one right here that I am wearing right now, I am so obsessed with this sweater, you guys. Like, I am gonna keep this sweater forever. I feel like it is such a staple, like classic piece. Like, this piece is never gonna go out of style. It's so cute. I'm actually gonna show the little try on portion. It's super soft, by the way, but it's pretty much super stretchy too. So I feel like this will fit different sizes. This is actually a small/medium. So if you're smaller than me, it will actually fit you even a little bit better than it fits me right now. But if you're also maybe a little bit bigger than I am, it's still gonna fit you because it's super stretchy. And I love the little ties at the bottom here. You just tie it all around. I'm actually wearing it with some biker shorts right now, some gray ones, and it just looks so cute. But obviously more for fall, I would pair this with a pair of jeans and it would just look so cute, and like a nice little jacket. But I love how, you know, it shows a little bit of cleavage, so it's a little sexy, but it's so soft and so comfortable. And it's also kind of like a little slouchy. Like, it kind of bunches up, you know, and it's just like, it's like slouchy and cozy, but sexy and pretty. It's just, ooh, I love this sweater. I'm keeping it forever. It's just so gorgeous. I love it. I honestly recommend every single one of you need to pick up this sweater. Like, I feel like it's a timeless piece that's literally gonna look good on everybody no matter what. Oh, you guys, I just got right into the haul because I'm like obsessed with this sweater. But before I get into the haul, I do want to quickly mention that Nasty Gal is having the most amazing sale. All of the pieces that I have to share with you guys in today's video, I'm telling you, they're so affordable. Like, I was shocked. Like, I looked at the prices and I was shook, okay? Like, I know shook is like the word of 2018, but your girl was shook. Such amazing prices, and also I really am impressed with the quality of Nasty Gal. Like, a lot of the times there are websites out there where, you know, the price is low, but sometimes you get the quality in the mail and you feel like you're wearing like canvas. Like, it just doesn't even feel like soft fabric. These items are so soft, just well put together, such good quality. What's amazing about Nasty Gal too is they have so many different products. They literally get new clothing items every single day, which I love because I'm kind of picky with clothes, and sometimes I'll go to websites and I'm not really feeling what they have. But with Nasty Gal, they always have something I love. But what I love about that too is I can keep checking the site every single day to see if there's something new that kind of catches my eye. Especially if you're going to an event or something, there's always going to be something that you love for an affordable price. That's what I love about Nasty Gal. Also, every single item that I show in today's video, I'm going to link in the description box and down below so that you guys can shop right through that link. The links are affiliate links, so thank you guys in advance if you do choose to purchase through them and support me. I always appreciate it. But yeah, I'm going to link every single thing down below just to make it easier for you guys to shop, and I'm also going to leave the sizes of everything down below if you miss it while I say it, so that'll be super easy. But I'm going to share this piece with you guys. Look at how gorgeous this puffer jacket is. So cute. Like, I'm obsessed with it. It's actually a camo kind of pattern. I actually do already have a camo puffer jacket, but I 100% love the way this one fits so much more. It's a little shorter, so it's perfect for me because I'm 5'1", so it just sits perfectly on my body, like right at that perfect area. And if you're taller than me, it's gonna be a cute little, not cropped, but like it's gonna be like a little shorter on you, but that's trendy and in style too. I just feel like it's the perfect kind of size. They cut it off right at the perfect length so that it's trendy, because I feel like there's like this length when a jacket is a little too long than it's supposed to be, and it's just like no longer cute. You know what I mean? There's like this specific length where you just don't want to go near because it's just like not cute. I feel like it's like right when it covers your hips. At least with puffer jackets, I feel like it's cuter when they're like, you know, they sit a little bit above the hip. This one just sits at that perfect spot. It's also a dark camo, so it's not so out there. A lot of the times, like, to be real with you guys, like when I'm out, like sometimes I want to be like invisible. Like, I just don't want to stand out too much. I don't want to like call too much attention. Sometimes I'm not really in that mood, and I love how I can wear a cute camo jacket, but I'm not like it's not like so bright, you know what I mean? Like I could still wear all black with this or maybe nude and it would still look just really cute. It would even look cute with the sweater I'm wearing right now. Ooh, coming up with outfits on the fly. Actually, I think this is a small and I'm kind of shocked that it fits me. Maybe because it's already oversized, but it actually fits me really nicely. I'm really happy with the size of it. It actually gives me a little bit of room too. But if you're smaller than me, this will still look good on you. It's gonna give like a nice little oversized feel. I'm really happy with this jacket and it feels good too. So before we get into the other items that I have behind me, I really want to share with you guys these super cute sweaters. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm really picky with knit sweaters because sometimes I feel like, you know, there's like this line where some of them are super cute and then you can get knit sweaters that sometimes just look a little tacky, like 2013 status, you know what I mean? So I'm personally really picky. But these call to me. They have like this texture to them. They just have that texture that's like a little bit Teddy, a little bit Borg. So it's like super trendy and these are actually really cute. I am totally vibing with them, but they're so, so comfortable and cozy. It's so fluffy too, but the way that it fits you is really nice. So this is how the sweater looks. It's actually in a really beautiful kind of stone color. Yeah, this is like a stone cream kind of shade and I really like it. I don't like when colors are too creamy. I love how this one's more like a stony kind of cream. Really pretty, and it is the turtleneck, but the turtleneck is kind of slouchy, so it's not like choking you or making you feel so like in there. It's just really nice. It sits nicely. And of course, you girl got the gray. Always get the gray. If anything is available in gray, I pick it up. So I picked this up in the dark gray and it's just so cute and cozy. Like this with a pair of tights and some sneakers even, or jeans and some sneakers. I've been wearing sneakers all fall and winter, by the way. Like I have given up on boots completely. Not completely, but like just keeping it real. Like sneakers are just so easy to throw on. They literally match with everything nowadays. They look cute with everything if you get the right pair. And they're just so easy and comfortable to wear, so I love them. I love to wear this with my Adidas Falcon. Either the white Falcons or the black Falcons look so good. So yeah, a pair of jeans or a pair of tights or leggings if you want. Super cute with this. So yeah, I picked up the stone color and the gray, and I feel like this is just perfect for fall and winter. Literally queen of getting items in like 2 to 3 different colors. I am one of those people, if I find an item that I like, I'm picking it up in 2 to 3 different colors, because if I like something, I stick with it. It works, it looks good, I'm comfortable with it, I love it. It's hard to find pieces that you really are in love with, so I'll buy like 2 to 3 colors. So I picked up this really cute bodysuit. It's just a really simple bodysuit, but it's kind of cute because it goes off the shoulder if you want it to, but it can also go up a little bit if you want it to. So it's just really pretty and cute. Again, this is the black one, and then I did pick up the white. Oops. Even though this white is a little bit more like, it's not a stark white, it's like a soft white, which is really pretty. And I believe I got these in a US 6 and they do fit really nicely. Okay, this next top I love so much, but I wanted to quickly mention to you guys, just for those of you who are similar body to me, and I know a lot of you tell me, oh my god, I love watching your hauls because we're the same size. So it makes shopping super easy because then you know what size to buy, especially online shopping. I just want to let you guys know, as you're watching me try on the pieces, I am a little bit heavier right now than I normally am, you know, packed on those holiday pounds. Literally every single year around the holidays, your girl, I always put on at least 5 pounds. Like, it just happens. Even though it's water weight, like I'm not really tripping, it's water weight, but it's, you know, I'm a little bloated. So just keep that in mind if you're kind of using that as size reference, but for the most part, you know, it's not really a huge difference, just a little bit of bloat. Just keep that in mind. But I love this piece so much, you guys. This is the cutest, like, nude ribbed long sleeve crop top. It does have this really cute opening in the back. If you guys like a little bit of sass, it adds a little bit of flair. So just keep that in mind. You can't wear a regular bra with this. You would have to either go commando if you have the perfect boobs, which God bless you if you do. Give me them, thank you. But if you don't and you're like me, then you would have to wear one of those like self-adhesive bras or something like that. But yeah, this is super cute. It's just so simple, but you know me, I find beauty in the simplest pieces. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, I also got this one in a US 6. So the next piece I love so much. Not only do I love this is actually a true neon green. I know the last piece I showed you guys in my last haul was more like a neon yellow, but this one is a true neon green, and it's so, so cute. This is actually a cropped long sleeve sweatshirt. What I love about this is the hands at the bottom are open and the bottoms of this is open. So it's like super flowy and loose, just super flowy and oversized and nice. This one is in a US 6, and I feel like it's actually a really nice size to kind of give a little bit of that oversized look, but not too oversized. Also, what I love about this piece, I was really impressed, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, like for a sweatshirt like this, I wasn't expecting it to be this soft, but it's super soft and I'm not messing around. It doesn't feel like your typical, like, it doesn't feel like a rough jogger or like canvasy. It has a very soft feel. It almost feels like pajamas. Like, I'm not messing around. It feels super soft. So I'm really impressed with this. This would look super cute with some joggers, black, maybe gray ones, or even a pair of jeans if you wanted. I personally would probably wear it with joggers. So I picked up this nude set and it's so cute, you guys. This is actually a pant and a cropped hoodie nude set. So cute. I love this. So the material of this one is kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, if you guys can see it, it's kind of like, yeah, I'm really bad with materials and fabrics, so I don't really know how to describe this. It's almost kind of like knitted a little bit. It's really cute. I kind of love that because it gives a cozy vibe. I feel like this would be really cute to wear around the house or even just to like run quick errands. So these are the pants, but I'm hoping these are not too high-waisted because you guys know, because of my height, anytime an item is too high-waisted, it just looks kind of ridiculous on me. So I hope these are not too high-waisted, but they look super comfy and super cozy. Okay, I am really excited to share these pieces with you guys. So I picked up a couple like different cargo pants from them because I wanted to try different ones out. And I gotta say, I love all of them. So these are the first ones. I believe, like I said, I picked up so many. I believe this one's called the Survivor Utility. Something like that, but I have the links saved in my email, so I will easily just link it below. But, oh, these are so nice. So these are a pair of cargo pants, but they're so cute, you guys. They have a big chunky pocket on the side with like the, you know, scrunched bottom. Oh my God, I am obsessed with these. Like, they literally look like I'm gonna go like gardening. And that's totally my style. Like, that is literally my vibe right now. Like, I want to look like I'm like gardening or going into outer space. Like, so cute. I'm totally vibing with these right now, and they're the perfect khaki color. They're not too saturated. I really hate getting khaki sometimes when it's like too green, like too saturated and too bright. This is the perfect like muted kind of khaki. This would look adorbs with the top that I'm wearing right now. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I did try these on already, and let me tell you, they're snug on me, okay? They're gonna have to fit more, like, which I'm kind of sad because I want to wear them now. It's okay because these will still work in the springtime and they'll definitely fit me perfectly by then, but these are actually in a medium. So if you're the exact same size as me now and you're planning to stay that way, you're definitely gonna want to pick up the large. These, when I try them on, they're perfect on my legs, but they're tight on my thighs, tight on my butt. I still gotta, you know, work my way to fit into these perfectly, but they're so cute. I am obsessed with those. They're amazing. You guys need to get them, trust me. So I also picked up these. These are like your classic pair of like khaki nude. Like, you know how some people call this color khaki? These literally look like Target uniform pants. But they're so cute too. These ones are more simple. They don't have the pocket on the side, but they are super cute too. But I'm definitely vibing more with those ones. But if you're looking for a nude pair, these are hella cute. And they also do taper at the bottom too. And I believe I got a medium in this one too. Oh no, this one's a US 6. Okay, these ones I am so obsessed with. Like, I am literally obsessed with. They're so cute. So they're kind of cargo-ish, but they're a different material. They're like that slushy material that's like totally in right now, and I've been wanting a pair of like slushy joggers. So these are kind of joggers with like a really big pocket, and they're super thin too, so they're not going to keep you that warm, but they're cute, so I mean, who cares. And they do taper at the bottom again with the scrunched bottom and the scrunched waistline. These are hella tight on my booty, so they definitely don't fit me perfectly right now, which I'm like, I'm kind of sad with because I really want to wear these like right now. They're so cute. Sorry, my camera cut off, so I literally don't remember what I was saying. I had to like get up and fix it, but I think I was talking about how, yeah, they're gonna fit me perfectly in a few months from now, so I guess I'll have to wait to wear them. So yeah, these are super cute. Again, I think I mentioned to you guys, oh, I don't know if I did, I got these in a US 6, so they are snug on my butt. Like, they just don't have like a movement there. So definitely I would have, like, if you want it to fit you now, if you're the same body shape as I am now, then definitely pick up a US 8. But these are so cute. Like, this is gonna be perfect with a crew neck or a bodysuit and some sneakers and a puffer jacket. Like, ooh, Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys, but they do have a pocket on the side too, like a cute little, that's why I was saying it's like kind of cargo-ish, you know? So that is pretty much all the pieces that I had to share with you guys. I am totally obsessed with everything that I got. I love the quality and the price is right too. I know you guys are gonna love Nasty Gal, so definitely check them out. You're gonna be super shocked when you see like the prices. They always have such amazing sales. Like it's gonna blow you out of the water. Stop right now, check out Nasty Gal. They're having a huge sale right now. Also, this is pretty much going to be the last video of 2018 that I upload on my channel, so thank you guys so much for all of your support. I am blown away. Like the other day, I just had a moment where I stopped and I was like, I really am like living my dream right now. Like I'm able to have the career of my dream, but it's because of you guys. If it wasn't for you watching my video right now, I would literally have 0 views. Nobody would be watching me. Nobody would care. I wouldn't even be able to make this shit happen, and it's because of you guys. So thank you so much for your support. Let me just say there is tons of exciting things that are going to be happening in 2019. I can't talk about a lot of things right now, but there's going to be so many exciting things. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel as well. I'm not gonna, like I said, I can't say anything, but you're gonna want to be subscribed to my vlog channel because I'm gonna be vlogging and taking you guys with me on some really amazing things. So make sure you're following me on the vlog channel. I'll link it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Of course, I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video in 2019 this time. Bye guys. Mwah.